Hello students. Okay, today we are going to learn the subject SST. Okay, in this lesson, in this book we are going to learn lesson number 5, weather, seasons and climate. Weather, seasons and climate. Okay, now weather. What is weather? Very simple. Weather. Weather is condition. It is condition. Condition of atmosphere. Condition of atmosphere. It is weather is condition of atmosphere of a place. At a particular time. At a particular time. Okay, weather is the condition of atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time. Is called weather. Okay, weather is condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time is called weather. Okay, the condition of atmosphere. Okay, how is atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time? For example, how is the atmosphere in summer season? In the summer season, the days are hot. That means the atmosphere is also hot. Okay, so hot atmosphere is the weather of summer season. In winter, days are very cold. So cold atmosphere is the weather of that particular place at a particular time. Okay, so weather is a condition of a place at a particular time. Okay, you have to learn this definition by heart. Okay, now after this, there are 5 seasons. I just draw 5 lines to describe the 5 seasons. Spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, and winter. These are the 5 seasons. Okay, so these are the 5 seasons. From that, spring is very short season. Spring is very short season which falls on March. It continues from March to April. This season continues from March to April. The weather in this season is pleasant. It is not too cold and it is not too hot. And the festivals like Holi, Baisakhi are celebrated in this season. Baisakhi is celebrated by Punjabis in the harvest season. Baisakhi is celebrated as the gehu or the wheat. Wheat is the crop that came in this season. Okay. सो गहू आलेला असतो, त्यांचं गव्हाचं भरपूर उत्पादन झालेलं असतं. सो फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग दॅट दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग बैसाखी फेस्टिवल. ओके, सो होली, वी ऑल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग होली, which is end of winter season. After spring season, summer season comes. After spring season, summer season comes. Normally the weather is very hot. The weather is very hot in this summer season. We like to drink cold drinks. We like cold drinks in this season. We like ice creams. We like ice creams in this season. We prefer to eat ice creams, and also we like to stay indoor. In this season we like to stay indoor. We don't want to go outside because there is too much heat is there out of the house. Okay, the sun is very bright in this season. The sun is very bright, and in states like Delhi and Uttar Pradesh, they are facing very much amount of heat faced by these people. Very much amount of heat faced by these people. Now monsoon is the season in which there is a lot of rain. Monsoon is the season in which a lot of rain is there. Okay, it is the source of water for all of us. Due to monsoon we are getting a lot of availability of water. Okay, the farmers are very happy in this season because rain is very much helpful for the growing of crops. Okay, so but in the monsoon there are, if heavy monsoon falls, a kind of calamity like flood. Calamity means problem. Problem like flood can also occurs in some places. Occurrence of flood is very constant or continuous. Okay, so in that case we have to take care of these people's or their villages, their settlement. Okay, we have to take care of all these things. Okay, in the monsoon season we use raincoats and umbrella. We all know that we are using raincoats and umbrella. Raincoats and umbrella we are using for protecting ourselves from the rain water. Okay, now after this autumn is once again a very pleasant season. It is also a short season which comes before winter season. The weather begins to cool down. Leaves change their color to gold and falls from the trees. Okay, in this season tree shade their leaves. Tree shades their leaves. Okay, the color of leaves changes in this season. The color of leaf changes in the season. In this season we are celebrating festival like Dasera. Just now we are celebrating this festival. We are celebrating festival like Dasera, Durga Puja. Same thing, Dasera, Durga Puja, that in Bengal Durga Puja is celebrated. A lot of people are taking part in Durga Puja. In Bengal Durga Puja is very famous and important festival. Okay, now in winter season, winter is very cold season. It is cold season. We are using sweaters. Okay, in some places snowfall takes place. And many people wants to enjoy this snowfall, so they visit the areas like this. They visit the areas where the snowfall takes place. Okay, they go and enjoy there. Okay, So there are totally 5 seasons: spring, summer, monsoon and autumn and winter. Okay, spring is a short season, okay, it which continues from March to April. Holi and Baisakhi is celebrated in spring season. Summer is very hot season. Okay, we need some cold drinks or cold thing to eat. Okay, we like to sit indoor. Fruits like mango and watermelon. Mango and watermelon is available in this season. We enjoy the taste of these fruits in summer season. Okay, monsoon. In monsoon, rain takes place in many places. Floods also occur. Okay, we use raincoats and umbrella in this season. Autumn, trees shade their leaves in autumn season. What happens? Trees shade their leaves. The leaf changes its color to golden, from green to golden or yellow color, and then tree shades their leaves. Okay, and festivals like Durga Puja or Dasera is celebrated in this season. Winter is very cold season. We wear woolen clothes like sweater in this season. Okay, snowfall also takes place at some of the other places of India. So just read this lesson, revise this lesson and keep in mind all things about this lesson.